Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to deactivate Messenger without deactivating your Facebook account. First, go to the Messenger app. Open the Messenger app on your device. Tap on the menu icon, which is usually at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then, tap the Settings button. Scroll down and select Account Center. Then, tap on Personal Details. Next, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now, tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. Facebook will show you a list of profiles again. Choose the profile you want to deactivate. On the next screen, you will see two options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Tap on Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. You will be asked again to confirm your identity. Tap Continue. When asked for a reason, scroll down and tap on any option. Complete the remaining steps shown on screen. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.